Welcome. Today we continue with other helpful supports for your meditation. So, in addition to working with sense objects, I will teach you some other methods that can be used easily, anytime, anywhere. One of these techniques involves using the breath as an object of meditation. So the coming and going of the breath is always available. Why don't we use it as an object for our meditation? So there are different ways to use the breath as an object, but maybe we'll focus today on one really simple one. Why do I like this one? Because it's easiest to practice, and also you're not going to draw any attention to yourself in public or in your office or at a family home. All you have to do is focus your attention lightly on the simple act of inhaling and exhaling. You can place your attention on the part of your body or part of the face or part of the, just like above the upper lip and under the nostrils, that little area, that passage of air, or on the sensation of air filling and exiting your lungs or your nostrils. You decide. Let us experiment and see what works the best for you. The passage of air through your nostrils, or the sensation of air coming and leaving your lungs. Expansion and contraction of rib cage, or the air coming through the nose and leaving through the nose. Whatever is easier for you to become aware of. So let's spend half a minute doing that, exploring it. Good. And now we can just leave that method and rest in objectless meditation. Just resting your mind naturally. If you don't know how to do it, I guess you had moments when you just were so tired, when you came home maybe from a long walk or run, or Maybe you just finished a long day of work. You just come home and sit in that favorite chair or sofa and relax. And that's what we do now with the mind. We let the mind relax. We have used the mind to observe the breath or the breathing. And now we allow our mind to rest. We are still aware, of course. We allow ourselves to be aware of thoughts and emotions. Whatever comes up, it will come up. But there is still some presence of mind that may be loosely described as a center of awareness. You're aware, but you're not fixating on anything in particular. Just present to what's happening in the here and now. There is some clarity, some natural clarity. It is completely indifferent to the thoughts and emotions. That natural clarity is always there, always present for us. In the same way that space is always present. So now, maybe we can just go back to our meditation object. Let us do that. Let's just become aware of our breath. It's our chance. Practice breathing with awareness. Allow your body to relax so you can really focus on your breath. And keep your eyes closed in the beginning, if that helps. But try to keep your eyes open later. Don't tense your face, your hands, or your belly. Allow your ribs come out and allow your lungs and abdomen to expand naturally. But please don't begin to breathe by pushing out or bulging out your abdomen. There are no lungs there. You will only weaken your abdominal wall by breathing in that manner. To aid concentration, you can let your breath make a soft sound by slightly restricting the back of your throat. That noise should be audible only to you. Just a soft sound. Chance to breathe with awareness. It helps you to relax the center, to slow down. Focusing on breath is particularly useful when you catch yourself feeling stressed or distracted. Internally, the simple act of drawing attention to your breath produces a state of calmness and awareness that allows you to step back from whatever problems you might be facing and respond to them more calmly and objectively. If you're stressed out, just bring your attention to your breathing. No one will notice that you are meditating. Just breathe in and breathe out. And be aware of it. Then we can alternate. Now letting your mind rest. Just let your mind rest. And rest for as long as you can. Let us do that together. Let us experience that. How to stay, how to abide. In a state of relaxed awareness. We all need some practice in learning how to rest the mind, simply as it is. Objectless meditation. Is really helpful for calming the mind. But until we master it, we can always alternate and use one of the methods. So today we learned the breathing. We didn't learn it, we always breathe, but we learned that we can become aware of that. Of expansion of the rib cage, of the movement of the air through the nostrils. We learn not to tense our face, our hands, our belly. We learn to relax the tongue and the chin. Chin is always lowered like in a prayer, meditation. That slight adjustment helps us to calm the nervous system. Experiment. Try to do that. And see how it goes. Thank you.